Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. To by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now, I'm pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12.
가끔 이렇게 다른 동네 오면 기분 좋아요.
굳이 이렇게 멀리까지 직접 배달 가냐고 하시는 분들도 계시는데, 저는 당연히 가야 된다고 생각을 해서, 물론 뭐 매장이 너무 바쁘고 가면 안 될 경우도 있긴 하지만 대부분의 경우는 제가 가려고 합니다. 너무 감사하지 않나요? 당연한 거지만 특히나 요즘 같은 때는 뭐 더 그렇죠. 뭐 더 감사하죠.
Now, and that much I can say. Now, if they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. If they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor anymore, anymore.